In less than 12 hours from now, we know if we're having another bearish sign for Bitcoin, or can we really fast reclaim a couple levels in the next 12 hours to close the daily and the weekly bullish. That and more in today's video. If you like the content, please do me a favor, like, subscribe, click on the bell, click on all so you don't miss anything. Leave me a comment, share this video with your friends if you think this is useful. Also feel free to follow me on Twitter and Instagram. Both of those links you'll find in the description. Without further ado, let's start diving in. What I first want to show you here is a trade that I gave you on Thursday. We are right now looking at Bitcoin on the 30 minute, and I said, wouldn't it be nice if we go higher, take the liquidity from these two highs and then go lower. Look at it. This is exactly the drawing that I made last Thursday. I have not touched the chart at all, and it's exactly what we did. We went higher, we took the liquidity, and now we went lower. And I also draw here that line, said you need to take profit here at the golden pocket, and that's also exactly what we hit, that golden pocket. Perfect. So you could have taken a short from here, you could have taken the long right here from the golden pocket to play it higher. Congratulations if you took both of those trades. Now, if you are currently in that long from the golden pocket, I want to advise you, and I will move this a little bit to the right so you can really see that I was correct on this trade. There you go, you can see we hit the golden pocket exactly. And please do yourself a favor, move the stop loss to entry. That's very, very important. If you took the trade from the golden pocket, move the stop loss to entry, because in the next 12 hours we might get another bearish sign, and then you don't want to be caught up in this long trade. So you have to protect yourself, and it's also the weekend. What I'm talking about, well, let's zoom out here on the daily, and then I'm talking about the 50-day EMA. That is that thick blue line that you see here in my screen. And last week on Monday, then we already lost that 50-day EMA, and we traded underneath Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. But in the weekend, Mr. Market Maker pushed the price higher and closed the week higher above that 50-day EMA. And I already told you that is not a coincidence. And then currently we are going lower, and now this is Saturday's candle and Sunday's candle, and we have approximately, as you can see, 12 hours left to push the price higher and to close above that 50-day EMA. It's going to be very, very critical. If we close the daily and therefore also the weekly underneath that 50-day EMA, that is another very bearish sign. And what do I mean with another? Well, I also told you already that we're changing market structure here on a bigger time frame. Is that we have here a high, or you could even say your lower high measured from here, but you have here your high, your low, your clearly lower high, and now we're coming down again. So this actually looks pretty weak. Also, something that I have been noticing is that we are front running very important levels. I told you that I was waiting for this golden pocket to take the short. We didn't hit it. We also have a golden pocket here, and that one is measured from this low to this high back to the golden pocket. We also front run that. So yeah, sometimes we have those periods of times where Bitcoin is just not hitting those levels, and there are days and weeks where we're just hitting those levels exactly to the dollar. Very interesting data to see and to look at, so please keep that in mind. What would I do from now? If you're not in a trade, I would just wait it out. It's the weekend, anything can happen. We have low volume, anyone or anything can dump or pump the price. So let's just wait how this plays out. The only couple of longs that I would be interested in taking would still be that long from this liquidity. This is this low right here, so that is 57,500, or a hit of this golden pocket. So let me just also put a trade there. So then we're taking out these lows that we created about a week and a half ago. These lows taking out into that golden pocket. That's approximately 58,700 to 59,500. Don't take it for a dollar more or less, but that is the area where I would look for a long. I would like to see maybe liquidity grab from these lows, so a quick wick to the downside, to the upside, get into the trade, stop loss underneath the low, or I want to see maybe some bullish divergence in this level, some bullish CBD. I want to see some bullish signs before I am taking the long. The short, I would still be waiting because, yeah, like I said, I was waiting for this golden pocket, which lined up at the time with the point of control that was just underneath. Therefore I didn't take it, because I said I want to see this trend line being hit, I want to see this golden pocket being hit before I'm taking the trade, because if else I have more than a 2% stop loss. I don't like that. But I would just now wait for this to play out, see how we close the week, if it's under, at or above that 50-day EMA. And when I'm talking about under or above, I don't mean $100. I want to see a clear sign of lower or higher. So if we close right now where we are, 63,500, that for me is a very, very clear loss of the level, and I will be looking for more shorts. Because yeah, like I said, we have then two bearish signs. We have a macro market structure that is from lower highs and lower lows, and we are losing key support, and traders are just trading towards those levels. So then my first target for a short would be that golden pocket. Then we're talking about an extra 7%. Well, on a 10x leverage, that's 70% profit on your trade. I would just wait for this to play out, and then eventually I would take maybe a short trade based on the small time frames. Could be the 5 minute, could maybe the 15 minute, but I will update you tomorrow then again. So for now you don't have to look at shorts. I will update you tomorrow, see how market structure looks like, see how the chart looks like, and then I will give you an update on a more smaller time frame depending on where we close today. That was the quick update for now. If you like it, then please do me a favor, like, subscribe, click on the bell, click on all, and make sure that you also follow me on Twitter and Instagram. Both those links you'll find in the description. Be very careful. Let's just wait it out for the next 12 hours. But if we close underneath, it is pretty bearish, and we should probably expect lower prices for Bitcoin. That'll be it for now. See you next one. Bye bye.